So this time, our group will present to you a scenario of expressing opinions. And we chose the scenario number 3, wherein your parents will be celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. You called up your best friend to ask what possible gifts you could give your parents. So here we go, light, camera, action.
My God, Mom, 200,000 pesos just only for one day and one night. It costs too much. Work hard for something.
Hi, ma'am, guys. We're really trying to go because I will
Para siya! Idol.
Number one. Hearing out, happy, inspired, and a little busy.
Wow, that's nice to hear. Well, anyway, you know what? My parents will be celebrating their 25th wedding anniversary. I hope you will come.
Oh, I'm sorry, boss. I have just hired in the bar I am working at.
Oh my
gosh. Really a wrong time.
But I really understand you, and I really miss you.
I really miss you too, Beth. My God, you know what? I have a new boyfriend, Beth. Normal.
I can really feel it. The way you love yourself is really very obvious. So, is he a Filipino or a foreigner?
Of course, a foreigner. I don't like Filipinos anymore. I also realized how romantic Americans
Oh, you're so dirty. Oh my god.
well. I am happy with him, and I'm also happy with him. He gave me everything, and I'm willing, and more willing to fight everything.
Whatever. You're really crazy, Amber. But you know what? Seriously, Bess, I really find it hard to look for a very contagious gift that I can give with my parents. Can you help me?
Oh, sure, Beth. Why don't you arrange a honeymoon for us? That are very ways to make
Oh my god, you're really crazy. But wait, I really like your idea. Thank you so much. I love you. Take care.
I love you too, Beth. Mwah, mwah.